Welcome back to our UTIIZIX, your ultimate destination for unlocking the power of mathematics. Today, we are going to dive into the definitions of fundamental trigonometry formulas. Understanding these formulas will lay a solid foundation for your journey into trigonometry. So, let's get started. 1. Trigonometric ratios definition. Trigonometric ratios are ratios of the lengths of the sides of a right triangle. They define the basic relationships between the angles and sides of the triangle. Here are the three primary trigonometric ratios. Sine, sin theta, is equal to ratio of the length of the side opposite the angle theta to the length of the hypotenuse. Cosine, cos theta, is equal to ratio of the length of the side adjacent to angle theta to the length of the hypotenuse. Tangent, tan theta, is equal to ratio of the length of the side opposite the angle theta to the length of the side adjacent to angle theta 2. Pythagorean identity definition. The Pythagorean identity is an essential equation in trigonometry that connects the squares of the lengths of the sides of a right triangle. It states that sin superscript 2 theta plus cos superscript 2 theta is equal to 1. 3. Sum and difference formulas definition. Sum and difference formulas allow us to find the trigonometric functions of the sum or difference of two angles. For example, sin theta plus theta is equal to sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. Cos theta theta is equal to cos theta sin theta sin theta.